Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. This is lesson 17, part 2 of our Excel series Beginner to Advanced. In this lesson, we will learn how we can use if function together with the or and function. Let's get started with the and function. The and function means if all your conditions are met, then if will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Here we have an example. If you can see, we have a student name and two scores, score 1 and score 2. We have two test conditions. One is for score 1 and second is for score 2. Let's write our formula equal if and we'll select score 1 cell. In our case, it's B23 greater than equal test conditions. In our case, H22. Press F4 to log the test condition, comma. Now we'll select score 2. It's C23 greater than equal score 2 test condition. It's H23. Again press F4 to log the score 2 test conditions. Now close and function bracket, comma, in double inverted comma, pass if condition is true, comma, in double inverted comma, fail if condition is false. Close the bracket, hit enter and drag the formula down. Now you can see who has passed based on both conditions. Now let's try OR function. Let's use the OR function in the same example and see the difference. Equal or B32 greater than equal to H31. Press F4 to log the H31, comma, C32 greater than equal to H32. Again press F4 to log the condition. Close the OR function bracket, comma, in double inverted comma, pass if condition is true, comma, in double inverted comma, fail if condition is false. Close the bracket, hit enter and drag the formula down. In this case, if any one of the conditions is met, it will return pass. But in the AND function, both condition must be true to return pass. I hope it's clear how you can use and OR function together with the if function. If you found this video is helpful, please like the video and share with your friends.